We all have a story to tell, right? We all have a unique story to tell. Our past challenges and accomplishments all shape our current story and where we're going in the future.
Sometimes you think you have it all figured out, but when you're at that frame of mind, that means that you have stopped growing, right? Because there's always more knowledge to acquire.
You are great attorneys. You are going to be great business people as we continue to go down this journey together. You are going to be fantastic.
But if we focus on ourselves and we're just in judgment of what we're not doing, you will never hold your team accountable. We've got to get people doing things and them being accountable to you, and you are more likely to be accountable for yourself when you do that.
Honestly, the biggest aha moment for me is the community, the camaraderie for me, instantaneously from being at the retreat. Day one, I felt the camaraderie, and it's so many things about I love it, but I think that was like the cherry on top for me.
It just felt like the speakers were speaking to us. It was insightful because it's almost like the speakers and those that were teaching the lessons knew that we had the problems we had already before we even arrived. So it's a very solution-based retreat, and we were able to actually take good notes and have stuff that we can bring back with us. In one aspect of things as a firm owner, you always essentially feel really alone, like you're the only one that understands the business and understands the problems of the business.
The idea for this retreat is to never stop growing. I want to get you envisioning your future story before we walk out of here today.
Right, you're here because the opportunity cost, right? You've left things behind, but you're here because, in your estimation, being here for these next few days is going to be more accretive to you than if you stayed where you were.
And adding someone who is going to add value to your organization and give you ideas that you may not have.
I think I've been inspired to do more as a business owner, because I often say you just don't know what you don't know. And having that experience from the coaches and from the other peers and the other law firm owners has definitely inspired me to want to take a deeper look under the hood, if you will.
That's what never stop growing means. It means that you are always growing in your capacity to create what you desire for your life.
So we can then extend out the dream that we have always wanted to realize for our firm. And so all of these little things we can implement that I'm taking away from this will then serve that bottom line of making our clients happier and then serving more of them.
But in this situation, I want everybody in this room to consider, am I owning my role? Am I stepping up and owning my role, okay? And the information we share here, whether it's lockup, marketing, whatever it might be, I don't want anyone to assume in this room that you can't take that knowledge back and realize, how am I locking up in my role, my firm?
Every single one of you is a stone in the ocean that creates the ripples. So I want you to think about how you are going to create wonderful ripples by virtue of being in this room this week. And you're going to take something away that is going to make your pebble into a boulder.